Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Durable, how to create a website for your vintage and retro clothing business on Durable, easy and quick. So first type Durable on the search. So as we know, Durable website is a place on the internet where you can find information and services related to things that last a long time or are strong and able to withstand wear and tear. It's all about things that are built to stay in good condition for a while. So we know that also you can build this website in just 30 seconds with this AI. So first, let's sign in. Now create new business and enter your business name. Type any name, any business name you want. Now select your industry. Now enter your location and choose your website language and create business. And now wait a few seconds to generate this website. So first, let's go to the first section on the website, the header of the website. You can change this, the site name, if you don't like it. If you want to change it, just change it from here. If you want to turn this on and replace company name with a logo, here if you want to upload a file. So if you want to change the label or add a new label, here if you want to add a link, and if you want to manage your social link settings, here if you want to add a channel, just select the type of the social link, and here if you want to add a link. So let's close and let's save this. So if you want to add a section, any section you want, just click here and select any section you want here. So that's it. Let's move on to the next section. The next section is the banner of the website. You can edit it from here. Now if you want to change this, just click here and it will be changed. If you want to change the subtext, just click here, it will be changed. Also the label here if you want to change it, and if you want to add the external link, and if you don't like the label or the link, just turn this off. And let's save this. Now let's move on to the next section. This is the image of the website. Edit from here. Now just if you don't like the image, just click here and it will be changed. If you want to edit the image position, you can edit it from here. Now let's save this. Let's move on to the next section, the text of the website. If you want to regenerate the text, you can regenerate it from here. If you want to manage the type or the size of the writing, from here. Here if you want to manage the style of the section, you can manage the alignment and the spacing and the background. So let's close this and let's move on to the next section, the list of the website. You can edit it from here if you want to change this. Here if you want to manage your display settings, choose what will be displayed for each list item. And here if you want to change the list items, if you want to manage the list item settings, here you can add list item and generate image. And here if you want to edit the image position, and if you want to generate a title, here if you want to generate content. So that's it. If you want to add the label or add the link, so let's save this and let's move on to the next section. The next section is the testimonial section of the website. You can edit it from here. Here if you want to add testimonial, you can generate a code, and here if you want to generate by who, and if you want to generate uh, another, or if you want to upload the file, you can upload it from here. So let's save this. Here if you want to manage the alignment or the spacing or the background of the section. So that's it. Let's save this and let's move on. The next section, this is the gallery of the website. You want to edit it from here. Now if you want to change this or add a new name here, if you want to generate another image, And if you want to upload image from browser, go here, and for example, let's pick image from browser. So I'm gonna choose this. So just put it here and it will be uploaded. If you want to choose from library or from here, let's pick another image from here. For example, I'm gonna choose this. So let's save it and let's move on to the next section. The next section, this is the location of the website. If you want to edit it from here, you want to change this here. If you want to change the business address, and here you can add the additional text file, you can add the title or the content. So let's close it. Here, if you want to manage the style of the section, you can manage the type or the theme or the rounded corners. Here, if you want to manage the spacing or the background. So that's it. Let's close this and let's move on to the next section. This is the contact form section of the website. If you want to regenerate the contact form, and you can change this. If you don't like it, just click here. If you want to manage or edit the type or the size of the writing, if you want to manage files, and here if you want to turn this on, and custom input labels, and if you want to generate form success message. So that's it. Let's save it and let's move on to the last section on the website, the footer section. You can edit the footer from here. Here if you want to change the business name, if you want to turn this on and place a company name with a logo, and if you want to upload a file, here if you want to add additional details, you can add your business address or any other relevant details. Here if you want to turn this on button, and if you want to add a new label or add a link, here if you want to add social links, manage the social links. Here if you want to add a channel. So that's it. If you want to regenerate any content of the section, any section, just select the content and it will be changed. If you want to regenerate the style, if you don't like the style, just select it and it will be changed. Also the entire section, if you don't like it, just select entire section. So that's it. If you want to duplicate it from here, if you want to move it up or move it down, so that's it. If you want to delete this section, you can delete it from here. So let's save this and wait a few seconds to publish your website. Now just click here and you can publish your website and get a free custom domain name. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.